Okay, at this time what I'd like to do is announce our next group of sous chefs.
I'm Marih le and I'm getting my chef coat.
My name is Tanner Botello and I got my sous chef coat.
My name is Diego Guerra and today I have gotten my new sous chef coat.
The idea with this program when I took it over is to take it into a real world application where everything they do is based on something they would do in a culinary school at a collegiate level, or what they would do if they decided to enter into the real working world and become a working chef or work in a kitchen.
I had to work really hard, show leadership, and get my work done every day.
Marih le was tenacious. I mean, a sophomore getting something that so far only seniors have gotten. She's the first in every day to work. She is the first to complete her assignments. She is meticulous in her kitchen. She's meticulous with her mise en place, with her setup of her station, following directions.
Work hard and show that I could earn it, and it only took me about 2 years.
Tanner's been great in that he started out very shy, very quiet, introverted, but he started his leadership by being the first one to come in and immediately fill up the dish sink with soap, with the soapy water, the rinse, being the first one to clean, making sure ours took out the trash. And he led quietly by example, and finally started getting his voice and became a leadership because people looked at him and said, well, look what he's doing. He's getting it done right, it looks good. And that's been really amazing to watch him blossom.
I had to work really hard. It was kind of the backbone of washing dishes back last year.
Diego is somebody who had a passion for cooking, had a passion for his roots, his heritage, and he all of a sudden realized that, you know what, I can do this and I can make a profession out of this. And it's been fun to watch him say, wow, I could be a chef and I can take this that I make and actually have a great living at it.
Jasmine, you gonna share some beignets? Yay.
Well, my hope for the program is to take a program that really wasn't doing a lot and making it a paved pathway for our students to move not just through high school but through college or straight out into the world as far as into the trades and get a living, because for a lot of our students college isn't an option, not because of grades but because a lot of other things going on, and this allows them, if they do go to college, they can get into culinary school. If not, they can transition right into the industry, and through practicums and apprenticeships, they can get a professional credentials that they need to have a good working career. We offer here the ServSafe certification, manager certification to our students. And that is not just a high school test or a collegiate test, that is an IBC or an industry-based certification. That is the same certification myself, every chef, every manager, every owner has to take to be in the industry. So we prepare them for something that for 5 years they have a certification. That means the difference between getting a job, an entry-level job at $14 an hour or $24 an hour with that certification. Our motto in the kitchen is that Hitchcock Culinary, we don't quit when we're tired, we quit when we're finished.